Title: Modern Object Detection and Tracking Explained. Simply, hello everyone. Today we'll quickly understand 5 powerful concepts in computer vision: Haar Cascades, HOG, object tracking, Kalman filters, and multiple object tracking. Let's begin. First, Haar Cascades for face and object detection. Introduced by Viola and Jones, Haar Cascades use simple rectangular features to detect objects like faces. The model scans an image at multiple scales and uses a cascade of classifiers to quickly reject non-face regions. Even today, it's used in lightweight, real-time applications due to its speed and low computational cost. Next, histogram of oriented gradients, or HOG. HOG works by calculating gradient directions in small image cells. It captures shape and edge structure rather than color. Combined with a support vector machine classifier, HOG became highly effective for pedestrian detection. It's still valuable in explainable AI and resource-constrained systems. Now, object tracking. Detection finds objects in a single frame. Tracking follows them across multiple frames. The main challenges include occlusion, lighting changes, motion blur, camera movement, and similar-looking objects. To handle motion prediction, we use Kalman filters. A Kalman filter predicts an object's next position based on its previous state and updates the prediction using new observations. It's efficient, mathematical, and widely used in real-time tracking systems like robotics and autonomous vehicles. Finally, multiple object tracking, or MOT. Modern MOT systems follow multiple objects simultaneously. The dominant strategy today is tracking by detection. Step 1. Detect objects in every frame using deep learning models like YOLO. Step 2. Associate detections across frames using motion models and appearance features. This approach is widely used in surveillance, sports analytics, and autonomous driving. In summary, Haar and HOG were classical foundations. Kalman filters enable motion prediction, and modern MOT combines deep learning with smart tracking strategies. That's it for today. Keep learning, keep innovating.